Hi, well this is my math video, and first part of it you need to explain the difference between proper, improper, and mixed fractions. So a proper fraction is where the numerator is less than the denominator. So like examples 1/4 for a proper fraction, and improper fraction is where the numerator is more than the denominator. So basically 9/5, and a mixed fraction is where there's a whole number and then a fraction, like 3 6/11. And you could also, there's many ways to show diagram for a fraction, like number lines, graphs, and blocks or something. I just used little pizza things. There's 8 of them there. So if you took away 1, 2, would be 6/8, like a fraction 6/8, or 5/8, like basically any number out of 8, or it could be 1, the whole number. And in real life, fractions can rational numbers can actually be used, like for cooking, maybe architecture and buildings and stuff. So like 1/2 cup of orange juice, 1/2 tablespoon of finely shredded lemon peel for recipes and stuff. And well, give an example to subtract or add rational numbers. I'll subtract with 6/11 minus -1/3. Well, first of all, you need to get a common denominator, so you need to times both of these, numerator and denominator, by 3, and on this side you have to times them by 11. So this would be 18/33 minus -11/33. So yeah, basically then you gotta make that into positive. So 18/33 added to the inverse, so plus, this turns into a positive, so it's +11/33 now, so it's 28/33, well, 29/33, and you can't reduce that, so that is the answer, 29/33. Next, you can either divide or multiply a fraction. And I decided to divide, so 18/22 divided by -10 over, well, -10 1/2 actually. So first you have to turn the mixed number into an improper fraction. Two times 10 is 20, plus 1 is 20, -21/2. Now you want to turn this into multiplication, so additive inverse for this too, and well, this number stays the same, times -2/21. Then, since there's nothing else to do, you just multiply straight across. 8 times -2 and 22 times 21. that will equal like negative 16 over 462. So now you have to like get that smaller. So divide both of them by 2. Divide by 2. By 2. And that equals 8 over 231. And you can't get that any smaller. So, this off. That's your answer. Well, that's your equation. This board's kind of falling apart. Okay. Now I need to do the hard part, which is an order of operations question. So 9 over 16 minus negative 10 3/4, which times negative 9 over 12 divided by 6/7 plus brackets 5 times 5. Now, since 5 times 5 is in brackets, you need to do that first. So let's write out the whole equation again. Now it's 25, but since you need to make that into a fraction, you put 25 over 1. Now, you need to turn this mixed number, negative 10 and 3/4, into an improper fraction. So 9/16 minus 43, well, negative 43 over 4 times 9 over 12 divided by 6/7 plus 25 over 1. Now you can finally start like actually doing the equation. So bed maths, multiplication and division first. So negative 43 times negative 9, well, negative 43 over 4 times negative 9 over 12 equals negative 8 and 1/16. Divided by 6 over 7 plus 25 over 1. I now want to turn the, actually, no, I'll do that after. Now it's 9/16 minus negative 8. Well, actually, we're dividing negative 8 and 1/16. Well, divide by 6 over 7, which equals 9 and 13 over 32. Well, negative 9, 13 over 2. 13 over 32. Plus 25 over 1. Now, we have to start from the beginning again. 9 over 16 minus negative 9 and 13 over 32, which equals 301 over 32. Well, actually, that's turning into an improper fraction is negative 301 over 32, but I'm not going to do that right now. So it's negative 8 and 27 over 32. plus 25 over 1. There. This might fall. And, well, since I'm not done that yet, to add those together. So, negative 8 and 27 over 32 plus 25 over 1 equals 16 and 5 over 32. Well, negative 16, 5 over 32. Kind of messy. That's your answer, and it's kind of messy, but I guess it is done.